Hello friends, the topic of today's video is star schema. So in last video I told you there are three types of schema in data warehouse: star schema, fact constellation schema and snowflake schema. So in this video I will introduce you what is star schema, what is the structure of star schema and how to draw the star schema. So star schema contain dimension table and fact table. So at the center you will find this is the structure of star schema. At the center there is fact table surrounded by various dimension table. Now what is dimension table? Suppose if you take student table is a dimension table, if you take employee table it is dimension table. So alternate name for the table is dimension in data warehouse. So if you take the student table, then there are various attributes of student: ID, name, roll number, percentage, address, contact number. So in the same way, if you take any dimension table, so in the star schema, every dimension table has primary key. Primary key uniquely identifies. So it is unique key. So this is the ID D1 is the primary key. Here ID D2 is primary key. ID underscore D4 is primary key. ID underscore D3 is primary key, and rest all are attributes. So this is the structure of dimension table, and at the center there is fact table, and all the dimension table are connected to fact table. And one more thing, fact table. What is fact table? Fact table contains the entry of all primary key as well as measures. Now what is measure? Suppose what is the revenue generated, what is the total cost, or what is the total revenue generated in particular quarter, or how many units has been sold for particular products. All these are measures. So all these are measures are stored in fact table. So at the center there is fact table, and it is logically connected since it contains the entry of all the primary key. So there are four dimension table here, so it contains entry of all the primary key and it contains measure. So this is the structure of star schema. Now I will take example of star schema. Here you will find there are four dimension table: time, item, branch and location. These are the dimension table. So time table has a primary key as time underscore key. This is the primary key. Here this is the primary key, this is primary key, and this is primary key. So if you talk about time, then there are various attributes: day, month, quarter and year, and primary key is time underscore key. Then there is item table. Item table has primary key, item underscore key is the primary key, item brand, item name and type. These are the attributes. Then talk about branch table. So branch underscore key is the primary key, and name and branch type is the attribute. And location table has primary key, location underscore key, and street, city, state, country. These are the attributes. Now there is fact table, sales fact table. So it contains entry of all the primary key, time key, item key, branch key and location key, and at the same time it contains measure. So how many units sold of particular product, what is the average sale in particular quarter. So these are the measures. So fact table store the measures, and it is connected to all the dimension table. And in star schema you will find the fact table is always at the center of all the dimension table. So this is how the star schema is arranged. It is nothing but the what is schema? Schema is the logical arrangement of the table in the database. So in data warehouse contain lot of tables. So this is how we can arrange. So this is the one way of arranging the table in the data warehouse. The why the name is star? Because it contains star-like structure at the center, and center is surrounded by the table. The center fact table is surrounded by dimension table. So I do hope you understand star schema. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.